Chapter 7 Coordinate Geometry Part 3. So today we will see very important problems. That is question number 10. Exercise 7.1, question number 10. Find a relation between x and y such that the points x comma y is equidistant from the points 3 comma 6 and minus 3 comma 4. So they asked the relations between x and y. Relations between x and y. So that what you have to form a linear equation in two variables. Okay, relations between x and y here is linear equation in two variables. Where you will get. So now you see. This is what required point. This is required point. You take it as p x comma y. From this point, you have two given points, that is A and B. Both are having equidistance. Both are having equidistance means AP equal to PP. AP equal to PP. Let the required point be P you take x comma y. And given points A is one point, that is first point 3 comma 6 and minus 3 comma 4. But equidistance means what? AP equal to BP is given. AP equal to BP is given, right? So when you have equal, you squaring on both sides, that is better simplification. Squaring on both sides, that is AP square equal to BP square. When you have square, while applying distance formula, you no need to write the square root. Simply you write x2 minus x1 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square is equal to, okay, same distance formula you have to write without root. So here you see AP means these 2 points. That is these 2 points. That means x minus 3. Always keep x first. So that simplification will be easy. So x minus 3 the whole square plus unknown keep y minus 6 the whole square. That's equal to, understand, same way these 2 points you take. Okay, or here also that these 2 points you take x plus 3 the whole square plus y minus 4 the whole square. So just applying distance formula. Okay, here square there means no need to write square root. Okay, so this is best simplification. Now what you have to do is a minus b whole square formula you apply, a plus b whole square formula apply. That's all. So a minus b whole square is x square minus 6x 2ab means minus 6x plus b square, that is 9. Again here y squared minus 12i plus 36. Y squared minus 12y plus 36. That's equal to this side. A plus b the whole square is x squared plus 6y, 6x. X squared plus 6x plus 3 squared is what? 9. Same way here, y minus 4 the whole square is y squared plus, or minus is there, so minus 8y plus 16. Now you see, if you can find out both the side, x squared get cancelled and y squared get cancelled, right? One more plus 9 is also there. Plus 9 you see here, plus 9 get cancelled, here plus 9 get cancelled. Okay, both the side you have same quantity. Clear? Means you can cancel it, you can reduce it. Now all the x and y term bring this side. This minus plus 6 is bring this side, means minus 6x, minus 12y right as it is. Then this minus 8y means plus 8y. That's equal to This plus 36 bring that side is minus 36. 16 right as it is. Now what you have to do is simplify. Add the like terms. That means minus 6x minus 12y minus 4y and minus 20. Minus is big. Common factor. 4 is a common factor. So divide with the what 4. Common factor means here 3x, here y, here 5. So next we got it. Everywhere minus sign is there. So multiply by minus 1 on both sides. Means here minus 100 plus, minus 100 plus, minus multiply means plus. So this is what right relations between x and y. Understand? So very important problem. This one many times repeated in the board exam. Many times repeated in the board exam. Okay. So next we will see important topic, that is section formula. So in this chapter you have section formula. Okay. See, first formula, if P divides AB internally in the ratio n is to n, then how will you write P? That is very important. Okay. You see, this point P divides AB in the ratio m is to n. That is only given. If P divides internally means inside, internally AB in the ratio m is to n, in the ratio m is to n, then what will be P? Okay. See, it is just like but a formula. But you no need to remember the formula. You remember the concept. You see here, what I am going to do is how to write formula. That is very important. Okay. How to write formula, very important. Just cross multiplying m into x2. First to write x coordinate on this. Okay, while writing x coordinate, ratio you have to cross multiply. M x2. Always remember. N x1 plus sign you have to write n x1 by both ratio add m plus n. Come on. Same way y coordinate you have to write m y2 plus n y1 by m plus n. This idea you have to use. You don't need to remember the formula. If you have idea, easily you can write this. Understand? So if P divides AB in the ratio of m is to n, okay, even you can take m1 is to m2 also. Okay, m1 is to m2 also you can take. In the reader they have taken like that, m1 is to m2. Okay, I have taken for my convenience m is to n. In higher class always they will used to take m is to n1, so that you better practice like this. M is to m is very easy. You no need to write suffix letter. Okay, this is easy way you can write m x2 plus n x1 by x plus m plus n, both the ratio add. That is the idea. Cross multiplying m x2 plus n x1 by m plus n. Then m y2 plus n y1 by m plus n. Okay, this idea you remember means easy. Now second formula, if P divides AB externally in the ratio same m is to n you take, then P is same formula you have to write, change the sign. That is wherever plus sign is written, that you write it as minus. So this is also idea you have to remember. Here what you have to do is P you have to take outside. P you have to take outside. So how to subtract it? How to subtract the ratio? Here, this is not there in the syllabus, but still you have to remember the idea. Very simple. Clear? Just changing the sign. Internal formula you remember. Easily you can write external formula. Understand? And third one, midpoint formula. P divides exactly what? Midpoint. Equal. Midpoint. Midpoint. P is midpoint of AB. If P is midpoint of AB, then what will happen? This both ratio will be same. M equal to N. That means M equal to N. Ratio will be equal. Therefore, P is. So what I am going to do is, in place of N, you put M. Means what will happen here? Mx2 plus mx1 by 2m. M plus M. Same be my2 plus my1 by m plus m. So m you take common here, 2m is m get cancelled. So what you will get? x1 plus x2 by 2 you will get. On simplifying this, you will get y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the midpoint formula. So midpoint means just what? Add the x coordinate divided by 2, add the y coordinate divided by 2. That is the idea. Clear? So whenever P is midpoint of AB, then P will be adding x coordinate divided by 2, comma, adding y coordinate divided by 2. Remember. Okay. So these three formula important. Then one more formula, fourth formula is that if G is centroid, centroid of triangle ABC, centroid of triangle ABC, then G is, add all the x coordinate, because triangle means we are having three coordinates. Okay, ABC means all the three x coordinate add. x1 comma y1. x3 comma y3. Therefore G will be, G is all the x coordinate add x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. You have to, by 3. Okay, because centroid means all the medians meeting one point. All the medians of triangle meeting one point is called centroid. Clear? Always the midpoint and this opposite vertex is join. Join means correctly will get median. Okay, the centroid divides this median. The ratio 2:1. The ratio 2:1. You have to always remember, in 9th class also you might have studied. So this ratio, these 2 points you have midpoint formula and this formula you apply, and the section formula you apply, means correctly will get the point x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. That is called centroid formula. This is called centroid formula. In even MCQ question, they will ask 2 more questions. They are very important. Clear? So these 4 formula, always you have to remember the section formula. This is section formula. Understand? Okay. So thorough this formula with idea. You see here, if P divides AB in the ratio 2:3, right? If P divides AB internally in the ratio, the ratio 2:3, then P is See, what you have to do is you have to cross multiply. You don't need to remember formula, okay? Just an idea, cross multiply. 2 into 4. For the time being, I am writing, okay? You can direct, straight away you can write 2 into 4 is 1, 8 you can write. For understanding purpose, first I am writing this like this. Now 3 into minus 1. First writing x coordinate, okay? Cross multiplying. That is 2 into 4 plus 3 into minus 1. By adding the ratio 2 plus 3. Adding the ratio 2 plus 3. Same way y coordinate. 2 into minus 3 plus y coordinate 3 into 7. 3 into 7. All divided by 2 plus 3. That's equal to 8 minus 3 by 5. Here minus 6 plus 21 by 5. So that is nothing but 5 by 5. This is 15 by 5. So that is 1 comma 3. This is the required point. Therefore, required point is 1 comma 3. Find the coordinate when the ratio given and 2 points given. Okay. So very simple. Thoroughly practice. So you will see the second problem, very important problem. Okay. So read the problem. Find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the lines joining the points. Line segment joining the points 4 comma minus 1 and minus 2 comma minus 3. Solution is let first you take 2 points, that is P and Q be the required point which trisected the line segment A and B given points. Trisected means what? Divide into 3 equal parts. That means that P and Q divide the line segment AB in 3 equal parts. See, 3 equal parts. All the 3 parts are equal. So P divides this line segment in the ratio. This is 1 part, here 2 parts. So 1:2. The ratio 1:2. Q divides the line segment AB in the ratio 2:1. 2:1. Okay, ratio is very important here. Okay, so if P divides AB in the ratio 1:2, then P is just a cross multiply you do. Here P is 1 into minus 2 plus 8 by 3. These two ratio add and write. Now y coordinate just cross multiply. Minus 2. First you multiply this. Okay, that is better. 1 into minus 3. Minus 3 and plus 2 into minus 1. Minus 2 by 3. By 3. Understand? So what you will get here? P is 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 is 6 by 3. Come on. Minus 5 by 3. So that's equal to 2, comma minus 5 by 3. That is P. That is P. Required coordinate. That is P. Same way, how to find out what Q? Draw the diagram. Again, one more diagram to draw. That is better. So that what? You will not commit any mistake. Now Q divides. Q here. The ratio 2:1. Right. Q divides. If Q divides AB in the ratio 2:1, then Q is minus 4, x coordinate multiplying here plus 4 by 3, comma, y coordinate multiplying minus 6 minus 1. So that is equal to 0 by 3, comma, minus 7 by 3. That is 0 by anything 0, comma, minus 7 by 3. So these two P and Q are required points. Okay, bisected the line segment joining the points 4, comma, minus 1 and minus 2, comma, minus 3. Understand? So like easily we can find out. Therefore required points are 2, comma, minus 3, 5 by 3 and 0, comma, minus 7 by 3. Understand? So very simple, easily we can divide. Okay, the idea you have to remember, trisected means 3 equal parts. First P divides 1 part and 2 part. Clear? Q divides reversely. Q divides 2 part and 1 part. Ratio is very important. Okay, so practice thoroughly. So next problem we will see this fourth problem. Read the problem. Find the ratio on which the segment joining the points minus 3, comma, 10 and 6, comma, minus 8 is divided by minus 1, comma, 6. You see, this divided by dividing point this, that means you take minus 1, comma, 6 as P divides the given line joining points, given points, these two given points, that is A minus 3, comma, 10 and B 6, comma, minus 8 in the ratio B m is to n. That is very important. You have to take the ratio either m is to n or 1 is to k also you can take. Okay, better you take m is to n. Okay, for my convenience I have taken m is to n. You can take 1 is to k also. That is standard. Okay. Here you see, you draw the diagram now. P divides AB. The ratio m is to n. So A you write minus 3, comma, 10. B you write 6, comma, minus 8. Therefore P is what you will get? Just cross multiplying joining. So 6m minus 3n by add the ratio m plus n, comma, again y coordinate minus 8m plus 10n by m plus n. But P is given, but P is how much? Minus 1, comma, 6 is given. Both are P. This is also P, this is also. You have to equate. Both the points you have to equate. That means 6m minus 3n. Therefore, minus 8m plus 6m, 10m by m plus n. Both point you equate. So when the 2 points are equal, two coordinates are equal, all the corresponding coordinates are same. That means x coordinate equal to here x coordinate, y coordinate equal to here y coordinate. So this will be written as. Therefore, this implies x coordinate I am equating. Either you equate x coordinate or y coordinate. This equal to this or this equal to this means minus 1. Now from using this you can find out m is to n ratio, required ratio you can find out. You see how to find out is cross multiply just. 6m minus 3n equal to minus m minus n. So m and all bring one side. So this is very easy. 7m is equal to 2n. Now what you can do is m divide this side 7 divided this side, just cross multiply. M bring here 7. Okay, so M is to N. Therefore, M is to N. This can be written as M is to N equal to 2 is to 7. So here they asked what find the ratio. That's all. Okay, therefore, ratio is 2 is to 7. Record ratio is 2 is to 7. Understand? So easily we can find out the ratio. Okay, the idea I have to remember. Suppose if you take this coordinate, y coordinate equal to y coordinate, same ratio only you will get. You check it. Okay, yourself you check it. You can take the same ratio you will get. That is the beauty of maths. Okay, so y coordinate you take and you find out the same ratio. Understand? Okay, so I will give the same type of problem as homework. Do the homework problem for better practice.